welcome back. Now that we've washed our hands, we can get started on our mozzarella cheese sticks. These are really great because they're full of calcium as well as protein. And mozzarella is a lower fat cheese. So if you are vegan and you do not eat regular cheese, you can substitute accordingly with a vegan cheese. But today we're using mozzarella. In fact, we are using string cheese. So you can get this at your local market. They come in a pack of 12 to 24 and they're really affordable and just good to have. So let's get started. So what we'll do is we take the string cheese out of the packaging and we're going to set up something called a dredging station. All you need is 1 egg, 1 cup of flour, and some breadcrumbs. I don't know about you, but in my house, there's always these 2 end pieces of bread in the package. They're perfect for homemade breadcrumbs. You can buy your breadcrumbs if you want, but I just toast these in a toaster or you can use an oven. No oil. And there you go. You have homemade breadcrumbs. So for our breadcrumbs, because I like flavor, I want to add a little bit of garlic powder, about a teaspoon of garlic powder. I want to add paprika. Paprika is a browning agent, so because we're not going to deep fry these, we want to make sure that we're helping it brown accordingly. And also some Italian herb seasoning mixed with parsley. We're going to stir that up, mix it up until it's well blended. We're going to empty our 1 cup of flour in the middle because that's the second part. First part is our egg. So we want to get that egg out and we want to whisk up the egg. You can use bowls if you want. Just make sure that it's some type of order. And there you go. Okay, let's get those string cheese. So I want a 3-piece. I don't know about you, but I want a 3-piece. So we're going to do this 3 times. All we need is dip it in the egg and roll it around in the egg. Second, put in the flour, mix it up with the flour. And the third is breadcrumb time. Or you can actually put it back in the egg after the flour. And then it's breadcrumb time. So let's cover it with breadcrumbs. And see, it should look like this. Let's try it 2 more times. We're going to take our mozzarella stick. We're going to put it in egg. We're going to put it in flour. We're going to put it back in the egg. And then we're going to put it in breadcrumbs. Let's try it again, one last time. We're going to take our cheese stick, we're going to put in the egg, we're going to put it in the flour. We're going to put it back in the egg and cover it. And then away in the breadcrumbs it goes. And there we go, we have our 3-piece cheese stick. Now is the perfect time to go ahead and get the adult because we will be using the stovetop for the second part of this recipe. All we want to do is add a high heat oil. I have grapeseed oil, about 2 tablespoons or just a little bit in the pan. You don't want to deep fry because this is a healthier version of a cheese stick. And we want to let the oil heat up. You can also use butter coconut oil, olive oil as well. And once the oil heats up, you want to add in your mozzarella stick with the breading and all. Also be sure to clean up as you go. Cook on each side for about 2 to 3 minutes, and then you can turn them over. If you're not as hungry as I am right now, you can also bake these in a preheated oven at 400 degrees. Use a sheet pan with either foil or parchment paper for at least 10 minutes until golden bubbly brown. We'll do one final turn. Oh, look at that cheese. Yeah. And here, guys, sizzling good. Again, you can also use butter. Use coconut oil. I chose grapeseed oil, which is a hard, healthy oil. And that's it. You can put out on a paper towel, or again, grapeseed oil is like an olive oil, so you can eat it in its natural goodness. I like to sprinkle a little bit of Parmesan cheese, a little tappa, shaker of some fresh parsley. Then I like to dip it and marinate it, but you can choose ranch. Enjoy, guys. Please subscribe, like, and share, and follow all things Chow Wan Eats. Thank you for watching.